There are simple ways to convert images into vectors using external software, but that usually requires downloading programs or paying for advanced tools. What I'm about to show you step by step is one of the easiest ways to turn an image into a vector directly inside Canva using an app. If you're a beginner, this is a technique you can quickly add to your skill set because it allows you to transform regular images into scalable graphics without leaving the platform. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. The first thing you want to do is head over to your Canva account and click on Create from the left-hand panel. Choose the type of canvas that matches your project so you're working with the right size from the start. Once your blank canvas is open, go to the Apps section on the left-hand side. In the search bar, type in Vectorizer and click on the app that appears in the results. After opening the app, upload the image you want to convert into a vector. Make sure you're using a clear image so the tracing result looks better. Once the image is uploaded, select Colorful as the color mode. This option helps preserve the colors from the original image during the vector conversion. Next, click on Start Tracer and wait a few seconds while the app processes your image. Once the conversion is finished, the vector version of your image will appear and you can add it directly to your canvas. Now that your image has been converted into a vector, you can resize it, reposition it, or integrate it into your design without losing quality. When you're ready to export your design, click on Share, then Download, and make sure you select SVG as the file type. Also, check the box for transparent background so your vector graphic can be placed on any design without a background. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. You've just turned an image into a vector directly inside Canva using a simple app. With just a few clicks, you can convert your graphics into scalable designs and make your projects look cleaner and more professional. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.